What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Mi 9, and this is 1080p 60 frames per second. I know a lot of folks wanted to see some samples of this phone. Check out the focus on here. It's just absolutely perfect here, so you got no issues when it comes to focus. Beautiful phone. Let's do a little zoom in here on the coconuts. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I like that. I like that. Let me know how you like the mics. Here's a beautiful lake. Let's do a little pan. Yeah. Nothing like a little pan action. But yeah, let's do another zoom in here on the little PVC pipes for the sprinkler system. There you go. You want to zoom in on that. Not crazy about how to zoom in with your fingers, but it is what it is. I guess you get used to it after a while, but wish there was a little button so that you probably can. There's probably some kind of setting, so let me not hate too quick. But yeah, this is the Mi 9 1080p 60 frames per second. Walking around the yard, giving you an example of what it's like shooting video. Let's do a little focus. Yep. Focus is perfect, so you got no issues there. But yeah, man, that's the Mi 9. Yeah, close up on the ball. Take a little picture. But yeah, that's 8 times focus, so you get the gist of it. But that's gonna do it, man. Follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, also Instagram. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel. You want to be part of the party, people? That's gonna do it, man. That's the Mi 9 1080p 60 frames per second.